They're my lovelies. They're here when no one else is for me. Yes. Which one will this one be? See, everyone is like a surprise. I never know which one it's gonna be. Is it gonna be an inch? Is it gonna be 1 5/8? Is it gonna be 3 inches? Who knows? It's like a birthday party present. Sorry, I get caught up in my work. Some think I'm crazy for what I do, but I know better. I know so much better. 1 5/8. Now these are the ones I love the most. There's less of them. Yes. Ooh, let me measure you, make sure you're just right. 3 inches. Each little screw goes in the categorized bucket. Every bucket is perfect except for this one. I don't like the 2-inch screws as much, so I put them in a black bucket. There's so many, especially the 1-inchers. They love those. There's so many. They have little parties. They wear little hats and they drink little martinis, little screw martinis. It's so fun. They don't invite me much, but it's fun. Oh, this one here. 1 1/2. Oh, do you hear the clank? The sweet clank of the screws. Another 1 5/8. Listen for the clank. It's heavenly. Saint Joseph must be with me today. I don't know if you know this, but Saint Joseph is the patron saint of carpentry. He is the one who has charged me with this mission, and I'm taking them to the kingdom of heaven. Saint Peter's in heaven, going to shepherd them all. Oh, I wish I could join them, but no, this is my place. Here, I am like the watchman keeping watch, watching all my beautiful children. Sometimes I think I'm like God's little helper, helping shepherd everyone into their right place. What is this? What is it? Another 1 5/8. Can you believe it? How grand, how beautiful. Another 1 5/8. It's better than my birthday. Oh, is it? Is it my birthday? No, it's not my birthday. How foolish of me. Oh, yes. 1 1/4. Going to join its brethren in heaven. Screw heaven.